Hi Rupert, great to see you this morning at the Wilderness Club. Just want to recap on what we worked on today. So I thought the legs are looking much better since last lesson. Takeaway's good as usual, goes a little bit in but not too bad. Top of the swing's beautiful. If we look here at the top of your swing and compare it here to Robert Rock as he gets to the top of his swing, we're going to see your club and elbows are exactly the same position there. So really good job there. Previous, like I said, the legs have got better and better, but what I've started to see today is that the club shaft is dropping. So this shaft is sort of shallowing too much on these sort of lines here. So as we come down, you'll see, if we keep an eye on it there, we can see it's just above the right forearm. It's just on the right forearm. Okay, it's below it. Now the shaft is there, so it's behind you, still behind you here. Okay, now it's getting into sort of the delivery slot and it's still a little bit behind. So we can see here the club's a long way behind, and then from this position here you can see already, if I get rid of these lines, how stuck your body looks. You know, your legs have started to clear, your top half's still pointing to the right, so you're going to be underneath it. Now it's all going to, wherever the ball goes, depends on how quick your hand action is. We're going to release the club and you hit that sort of pull draw, or we're actually going to hold it off and block it down the right. So I just decided today, as you're going away to Portugal, and I just think to make your golf a lot easier, is if we don't have that miss to the left go. So the left-hand side is gone, right-hand side is good. So we're going to try and hit a little fade. So if we just bring you down halfway down again to this position here, and I bring Robert down as well, you'll see you and him are pretty much in the same position here. Okay, so his shaft's cutting through his right forearm, the same as yours. Okay, but if you look at yours, we can see yours drops under. If we look at Robert's, keep an eye on his shaft. Normally it will pull down this sort of red line. You can see there's the club head. Look, it's on the line, and now it just drops in. So he doesn't really get the club behind him. He keeps the club nice and in front. Great connection. Body's a little bit more stacked and in line. So we can see here coming into here, he's got nice clearance. Chest is open as well. With yourself, if we look at that, we can just see how stuck you are. Your chest is pointing this way. So just work on that for me, Rupert. Just feeling like almost like you come over the top of the ball, working across it left and hard with the chest. Okay, and then just to finish off, just to keep the club face square, remember I put that stick down the end of the shaft. So that's just for you to hit 20-yard chips, really, on the way through. But that just gave you the feeling through impact that one, your chest had to turn a lot quicker, but two, the hands were very passive and quiet. You know, if we're going to start the ball left, we can't have the face rolling over, because then we're going to hit a little draw again. So if we're going to start the ball left, we need the club face to be slightly open. You probably remember down here, there's two boxes with numbers. Previous, you was right and left here, which meant your path was coming in on the inside here, and then you're flicking the club. And now we got it to go left and then right. So then we started to hit them little baby cuts. So we're starting the ball sort of this way, and it's just drifting off. Rupert, really good, striking it much better, and driver as good as well at the end. Pop in Friday and I'll let you try a different driver as well. Cheers, Rupert.